Today we are going to show the ISM module used on Mercedes 7G Tronic 722.9. The ISM module is used to check the gear shift and change it. So one more point we will notice, first of all, let's check the front. The module may be made by Continental or by Siemens, but as long as the part number matches, it doesn't matter. And inside it looks like this. This is a used one. Then this one over here is an aftermarket. As you see, there is no logo from Continental or Siemens, but the part number is correct. Then on the back side, they look almost the same, not really too much differences. If it was a Siemens, there would be a logo imprinted on the cover on the back, but Continental didn't do that, so they look quite close. And one very important thing is this point over here we highlighted. Let me show it better. This is the selector, the actual gear selector. So if you look at it from here, you will see that in the plastic you will see DNRP, which stands for the gear. And P is the most far away one from there. When you look at here, you also have 3 which is close to each other and 1 which is far away. The P is this one, and as you see, the position of this point highlighted in black, right, connects to the P. So that means in this moment that this car's gear is in P mode. Whether it's P or N, it both can be programmed. When it's in D or R, it can't. Although you cannot really change the position of this, no matter how much strength you use, it will not be possible to change, because as you see before over here, there is a big motor here, and that's what controls the change of the position. You cannot really force that. So what you normally do is connect it to the valve body and use that to make it turn. So adjust the valve body position of the gear to the one used on the ISM. All the ISM we sell are in position P, but you may also find them in position N sometimes. Either of these are both okay. If you see the position of this is not like here, then it probably is one of those 3. If it's one of those 3, then it's quite easy to read. Here we have D on the most far away from P, right? Then here is the same. This is D. This is N, and this is R. It's for reverse gear. And this is again P. So in this way you can also recognize, if you get a used ISM, which gear it is using without having to connect it to anywhere. Hope this can be useful.